To configure an ETRADE margin account, start by logging into your ETRADE account online. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one and fund it before proceeding. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings or Preferences section, where you will find the option to apply for a margin account. Next, review and agree to the terms and conditions of the margin account, which will include information about the risks associated with trading on margin. Trading on margin means borrowing money from ETRADE to purchase securities, and it can increase both potential gains and losses. After agreeing to the terms, you will need to provide some additional information, including your financial information and investment experience. This information is used to determine your eligibility for a margin account and to set your margin limits. Once your application is approved, you can configure your margin account settings. This includes setting your margin limit, which is the maximum amount you can borrow, and choosing the securities that are eligible for margin trading. You can also set up alerts and notifications to help you stay on top of your margin account activity. It is essential to understand the key concepts related to margin accounts, including the initial margin requirement, which is the amount of equity required to initiate a trade, and the maintenance margin requirement, which is the amount of equity required to maintain a trade. If your account falls below the maintenance margin requirement, you will receive a margin call, which requires you to deposit more funds or sell securities to bring your account back into compliance. Best practices for managing a margin account include monitoring your account activity closely, setting realistic investment goals, and having a plan in place for managing risk. It is also important to understand the fees associated with margin accounts, including interest charges on borrowed funds and any other fees that may apply. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can effectively configure and manage your ETRADE margin account, helping you to achieve your investment goals while minimizing risk. Remember to always use margin trading responsibly and within your means, as it can significantly increase potential losses if not managed properly.